Hi, this is Peter Pritchard with Animas Mountain Mortgage. And here in Durango, a lot of people buy second homes. They come from California, Virginia, Chicago, New York, all over the country, and they visit Durango and fall in love and decide they want to buy a second home. And so I thought it would be helpful to go over the second home requirements so that you're aware of what you'll be getting into if you decide to buy a second home here as well. Um, the first one, and probably the most important, is that you have to have 10% down all the way up to $850,000 purchase price. Once you go above $850,000, you're going to need a larger down payment, more like 20%. But up to $850,000, you can do a 10% down payment and buy your second home. Other restrictions include that it has to be at least 50 miles away from your primary residence. So if you live in Durango and are buying a second home at Purgatory, they're not going to accept that. The underwriters will not believe that it's a second home because it's not far enough away. It's not somewhere you would go to relax on the weekends or somewhere that's far away for you to vacation at. As far as other restrictions, it cannot be somebody else's primary residence. It has to be a one-unit dwelling. It has to be accessible year-round and suitable for year-round occupancy. And it can't be managed by another company like a management firm or in a timeshare arrangement. Lastly, you have to commit to staying there for 14 days a year. And then if you rent it through VRBO, you have to stay there at a minimum of the 14 days or 10% of the days that you rent it. So say you rented it for 180 days during the year, you'd have to stay there for at least 18 days. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 970-828-1610, and have fun shopping for your new home.